Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating a pretty unusual radio. This is an AM-8 track out of a 1971 Datsun 240Z, the only one I've ever seen. And this is sent in by Remy in Hawthorne, California. And initially, he wanted it repaired to original stock, but it just wasn't possible, so we went ahead and did a conversion with Bluetooth at his request, and so now we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can adjust, so we can check our functions during mostly talk radio. Let's go ahead and turn on to AM.
More thought out about it, because the more Biden talks, the less sense he makes. So I think he might let up, but we'll have a long way to go. We got 6 months until that moment, but listen to this.
Going to demonstrate our virtual
the news is not much of a
left, right balance and front rear
battleground states, but they got 3 in particular they have results from. It looks like Biden by 2 in Pennsylvania, 51-49. In Michigan, he trails by
fader adjust.
Okay,
and he trails
so now
by 1,
all the way
obviously
front,
to call.
all the way rear,
but in terms
front,
of issues,
okay, I'm going to try to center.
The economy under Trump in Michigan, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin,
fader
set.
Economy
Okay, left, right balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now all the way left.
So in Michigan, 43% approve
left,
of Biden,
right,
32% approve of Pennsylvania, and 36% approve of Joe Biden.
Balance set.
Okay,
were you financially better off?
Let's
switch
switch to FM,
4721,
which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on. So let's, and I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Told me that I ruined her yard work. PPV, you're probably...
Okay, so there's our FM. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Ross Edwards here.
I go ape every time I see you smile. Alice, smile too. Out and have fun. Put the blues on the rush. She found a boy to love. I love you all the while. Tell me, string. Get out and serve. I see is just a pack of lies. And a rockin' and a swinging from an end. Around for a maid.
Alrighty, pull the tape.
Dua Lipa, Richard Martin,
Pull the
Lewis.
tape out, radio comes back. Let's check the dial lines, and you can see those flashing on and off as well. So everything is working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order off that website's homepage before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my offered options, prices, turn times, all that stuff. So if you do that research before calling me, you'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone. And so thank you very much for watching and listening. Thank you, Remy, for your business from Hawthorne, California, and we'll see you guys next time.